So another example looking at dice. So we have find the probability of rolling a sum of 4 when tossing 2 fair dice. So let's write in our notation here. So we have the probability of a sum of 4. So you can see here that we have a total of 36 outcomes, and let's go through and figure out which one sum to 4. So we have one here, and here, and here. Anything else? I think so. Right, so we have 3 out of 36, and again we want to reduce the fraction if we can, so let's do that. So 3 out of 36. So math, enter. So we have 1/12, or as a decimal, that's approximately 0.0833. So let's look at some more simpler examples. So we have in the draft lottery, balls representing each birthday are placed in a bin and mixed. Individuals whose birthday is drawn and are selected for military service, ignore leap year. What's the probability the day in October will be selected? So we're going to write our notation there. So a day in October. So when you think about this logically, are the months evenly spread out, right? So October has 31 days, whereas a month like June only has 30 days, so they're not evenly spread out. So we want to think about it this way. So October, so we're going to look at the number of days in October over the number of days in a year. Right? So we don't want to just say 1 out of 12 since they're not equally spread out, and that wouldn't be fair. So we're looking at 31 out of 365. So again, we want to look at our fraction. So 31 out of 365. And then see if we can reduce that just to make sure. So we can't. So our decimal approximation there is 0.0849. Here we have the United States is comprised of 2 senators from each of the 50 states. Suppose a senator is selected at random. What's the probability the senator is from California? So probability that we have a senator from California. So that's the number from Cali out of, the number total. So if there's 2 from each of the 50 states, looking at 100, and there's 2 from each of the states, so we have 2 from Cali, so if we reduce this, we get 1 out of 50. So 1 out of 50 is a decimal, we're looking at 0.02 or 2%. So that's some more examples.